Hey there, the AI created this game in just 1 minute. Let's take a look at how this brick game was made using the new coding OS, Pyyan. So this is Pyyan's web interface. Let's ask Pyyan to craft a simple brick game. Pyyan has 4 consoles. A code IDE editor for programming. An AI chat interface. A command terminal for execution. And a whiteboard for project planning. Pyyan quickly develops a strategy and automatically generates code based on our needs. You can review the generated code within the IDE editor. Pyyan even offers the capability to execute the game directly, showcasing its ability to run any program on your system. This simple brick game was coded in less than a minute. If you'd like to tweak the code, Pyyan's built-in code editor provides a comprehensive environment for any custom adjustments. A slight tweak has been requested, to randomly increase the paddle width each time the ball makes contact. Now, observe how the paddle's length changes each time the ball hits it. To enhance the visuals, I've also asked for a spark effect upon the ball's impact. Pyyan is now implementing additional code changes to make this happen. Let's request Pyyan to run the game again. It appears that slightly derailed the gameplay. I am choosing not to fix that at the moment, leaving it for a later time. Thank you for watching.